Hello everyone, welcome back to our POLYTRICKS. In this particular video, I will also give you another one more techniques to remember certain important parts of Indian Constitution. For example, if a question that was asked with respect to the Union territories, which of the following parts of Indian Constitution that deals with Union territories? So we know that we have Union territories other than the states. As a federal state, we have union territories. These are the territories which is directly administered by the central governments. So which part of the constitution that deals with administration of the union territories? To remember the parts, the technique is currently we have total 8 union territories, including new territories like Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The part 8 of Indian Constitution deals with the administration of union territories. Another example I will give you with respect to Election Commission of India. So which of the following parts of Indian Constitution deals with Election Commission? If questions come, how to find the parts of Indian Constitution? The techniques that we are using here, again, the alert techniques, that is we are using the alphabetic letter coding. So for example, Election Commission of India, we will write the short word E and C. So E is the fifth letter. If you multiply by the C, that is the third letter, you will get number that is 15. The part 15 of Indian Constitution deal with Election Commission. This is how we will try to remember the important parts of Indian Constitution. Thank you.